Hey guys, again with the Bosch Tassimo maker, and we are going to run the Costa Americano through. Let's check we've got enough water, yes. Reset to 0. So I've never made one of these before. So this isn't the right cup, of course. I should have used a tall cup, so it is, so you can see it's jumping all over there. Again, this isn't the right cup. So I'll have to assume this is the end process. So as it depressurizes itself there, 0.59 pence, just over half a penny to make that. 53 seconds, 0.59 pence. And that's the light stopped. That's everything done and dusted. Might even be tempted to try that. So thanks once again. That is the Costa Americano in the Bosch Tassimo machine. 0.59 pence, taking 53 seconds. Thank you very much.